Hi everyone, and welcome to Sarona's Soul Lab. Do you know where your life palace is? In Zi Wei Dou Shu, the life palace is the starting point of your entire destiny map. And in this episode, I'll show you how to find it in just 3 simple steps. Get your lunar birthday and birth hour. Before we begin, you'll need 2 pieces of information. First, your lunar birth month, and second, your birth hour. For example, Mao hour means between 5 and 7 a.m. Zi hour means between 9 and 11 a.m. You can find both using any Chinese lunar calendar app or website. Step 1. Count your month from the Palace of Yin. A Zi Wei chart always has 12 palaces, arranged in a fixed clockwise circle. We always begin at the bottom left corner. That's the Palace of Yin, and it represents the first lunar month, January. From there, count 1 palace for each month clockwise. So if you were born in lunar month 4, count 4 steps from Yin. You'll land on the Palace of Zi. This is your Zi hour starting point, not your life palace yet. Step 2. Count your hour counterclockwise. Now, from your Zi hour starting point, count counterclockwise. That means moving to the left or in the opposite direction of a clock. Imagine a clock, but the hands are going backwards, from 12 to 11 to 10 to 9. In Chinese, we call this ni shi zhen, the opposite of clockwise. Now count through the 12 earthly branch hours. Zi, Chou, Yin, Mao, Chen, Si, Wu, Wei, Shen, Yu, Shu, Hai. Count until you reach your actual birth hour. The palace you land on, that is your life palace. For example, if you were born in the hour of Sai, count 6 palaces counterclockwise. That's where your soul begins. Your life palace holds the first message your soul ever wrote. It's not just a point on the chart. It's your spiritual compass. In the next episode, we'll explore the 3 life palace archetypes: the movers, the blossoms, and the deep dwellers. Want to find yours? Leave your birth date and time in the comments, and I'll help you locate it. And don't forget to subscribe, so your soul never misses its next step.